How to use Pixelfed app. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Pixelfed app. So to get started, first you'll need to install the app. Open either the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. In the search bar, type Pixelfed and locate the correct application. Once you find it, tap on the install button. You'll also see some general details about the app on this page. After installation is complete, open the app. Upon launching Pixelfed, you'll notice its familiar layout, somewhat reminiscent of Instagram. You'll see a profile section, a post tab, and other navigation options. Now, let's set up an account. On the login page, there's an option to choose a server. Select a suitable server and you'll be directed to the Pixelfed website. Here, tap the register button to create your account. Fill in your details, name, username, email, and password. After that, agree to the terms by checking the required boxes and finalize by hitting the register button. Before accessing your account, you'll need to verify your email. Open your inbox, find the confirmation email from Pixelfed, and click on the verification link. Once confirmed, return to the app and log in with your credentials. After authorization, you're all set to explore. At the bottom of the app, you'll see 5 tabs. The Home tab displays posts from people you follow. The plus button allows you to upload content, simply add an image or video, type a caption, and post. The Discovery page helps you explore trending topics, popular users, and featured content. And then there's your Profile section where you can manage your details. To edit your profile, navigate to the Profile tab and tap Edit Profile. Here you can update your name, username, bio, and other settings. If you need to access more settings, tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Posting on Pixelfed is straightforward. Click the Post button, add your media, type your caption, and hit Post. Within moments, your content will be live and you can interact by liking, commenting, or even deleting your post if needed. And that's it. Now you're ready to make the most out of Pixelfed. Don't forget to explore and engage with the community. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.